Genetic engineering could be necessary if we plan to colonize Mars or travel deep in space. The challenges of human space travel, such as radiation exposure and harsh environments, have prompted scientists and thinkers to explore the potential of gene editing to enhance human resilience in space. Gene editing technology, particularly CRISPR-Cas9, has made it possible to modify genomes easily and accurately, opening up new possibilities for space exploration. By inserting genes from radiation-resistant plants and bacteria, scientists believe they could enhance humans' ability to withstand the high radiation levels in deep space, reducing the risk of cancer and other health issues. Research has already shown that human cells with inserted tardigrade genes exhibit increased tolerance to X-ray radiation by 40%. Identifying genes that slow down aging and cellular breakdown could further improve astronauts' longevity and well-being during extended space missions. Genetically engineered crops resistant to radiation could also be crucial for sustaining human life in space by providing a reliable food source. Personalized medicine tailored to astronauts' specific genetic makeup could revolutionize healthcare in space. While the potential benefits are vast, the use of gene editing in humans raises ethical concerns and has faced strict regulations in some countries. However, the rapid advancement of this technology, exemplified by the creation of the first gene-edited babies in China, suggests that some nations may be willing to push boundaries in the pursuit of space exploration.